Hello everyone, welcome to the course Machine Learning in Cancer Biology. In this course, I'll be explaining what machine learning is and what are the different applications of machine learning in life sciences. We'll start with this particular topic. Next, we will be discussing different types of machine learning processes. We'll talk about supervised learning, we'll talk about reinforcement learning, we will talk about unsupervised learning, and I'll try to explain to you in the form of a presentation that what are these different types of machine learning processes and where we can apply these specifically in the area of life sciences. Next, we will be understanding how we can evaluate the model that we will create and how we can identify whether our model is working correctly or not. For that, we will be evaluating different parameters like accuracy of the model, recall, as well as precision and F1 score. What are those things and how we can use these specific points to evaluate our model. We will be also discussing that what is confusion matrix, what is ROC, what is AUC, all those things will be covered in detail so that you have a better understanding of all these points for the machine learning project. In the next module, I'll be explaining about machine learning algorithms. Understanding machine learning algorithm is very critical because you need to decide what kind of algorithm you will be using on what kind of data set. Maybe you have a tabular data set, you have image data set, maybe you have a video data set. You need to identify which model is appropriate for you to actually run your machine learning project. So in this particular module, we'll be discussing what are logistic regression models and how they work. We'll be understanding decision trees, random forest. We'll also be discussing about KNN classifiers and also the support vector machines. All these algorithms, they are amazing, and as a biologist, as a microbiologist, biotechnologist, if you have understanding of all those things, you're going to become a really valuable and impactful. Your research will be really good because whatever data set you're generating, if you apply machine learning algorithms on those data sets, your research is going to become more impactful. Well, in the next module, I'll be explaining the entire project workflow for a machine learning project. So in this one, we are focusing on cancer biology. That is the data set I'll be taking, and using that data set, I'll be explaining you that how you can design your own research project. In this one, we'll not do any coding, but later on we'll do coding, and I'll show you what kind of codes are required and how you can compile your entire machine learning project. But in this one, I'll be explaining that what are the different phases of machine learning project. For example, first you have to identify the problem, that what is your problem. Second is the data set. You need to collect the data set and how to collect the data set, how to refine the data set, what are feature engineering processes, all those things we are going to cover. Next is model development, that you need to develop the model. Then model testing is there. Next is model validation is very important because if you don't validate your model, it's not going to work out. After that, deployment, so that the entire process that you've created should be applicable to something which is very useful, or maybe on a particular large scale system where you can deploy your model. For example, this model on cancer biology can be deployed on hospitals, and people working in the hospital, they can take real-time decisions on the data that they are receiving. And the next module will cover the coding part, the programming part. In this one, using Google Colab and also using Python, what I'll be doing, I'll be completing the machine learning project, and we'll be explaining every stage in detail, that what are the codes that I'm using, why I'm using those codes, and what kind of output I'm getting. And slowly you will realize that you are getting all the skill sets that are required to complete the machine learning project. So the entire course is going to provide you a lot of information. The course will also provide you notes. It is going to provide you MCQs. It's going to provide you PPTs. Everything is available, and you can refine those notes. You can refine those PPTs for your maybe future projects. You are going to get a detailed information on different codes. You will get the script file, and you can use that directly to your project. So finally, when I'll show you entire machine learning project along with the detailed data analysis, you will feel equipped and you will feel confident to complete your own research project related to machine learning. So all right, that is all from my side. I hope you're enjoying all the courses that I've added on the Research Goal platform. So everything that is there in the Research Goal platform, it's going to help you improve your research skills. So complete those courses, highlight those courses in your social media, and apply the knowledge that you receive from these courses and get very high quality publications, and that will boost your career. That is all from my side, and let's start the course.